that what we hear from the screen can be at least as significant as what we see on it, and sometimes what we hear is more significant. It goes on to say that because of the constant advances in digital technology, sound may be the most intensively creative part of contemporary movie making. Sound can function to establish the worlds and the characters that live inside the film. Sound can also directly communicate meaning through dialogue and narration. It can also create a sense of spatial and temporal dimensions. Visual spectacles such as 2001: A Space Odyssey requires an equally spectacular soundtrack. The sound designers for this film, or any film, are responsible for creating the sound for that film. Director Stanley Kubrick oversaw sound design for A Space Odyssey and decided to barely use dramatic scoring. In other words, the musical pieces don't have firm linkage with the visual action. Often in this film, the sound cuts feel incredibly unnatural and uncomfortable to the audience who are accustomed to traditional Hollywood sound conventions. The majority of the music in 2001 is non-diegetic, or existing in the world of the film. Only the audience hears these sounds. On the other hand, the majority of sound design is diegetic, or existing in the world of the story. These are the sounds the characters can hear. Sound design often encompasses and represents the body of the robot HAL. In conclusion, without the powerful sound design of this film that is an integral part of the movie's artistic vision, both the story and characters would be less fascinating.